Structure and immutability. The word blockchain is a derivative of two words, block and chain. The reason it is called the blockchain is because of its structure. All of the data that is broadcast to the blockchain is put into blocks, which are subsequently linked to the previous block, creating a chronological order of blocks, or a blockchain. This chronological order of transactions is immutable, meaning that once something is broadcast and recorded on the blockchain, it can't be altered. Basically, once something is on the blockchain, it is set in stone. It cannot be changed anymore. This ensures that no one can change the history to their liking. It is there to stay.